Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to enter additional settings, language and region, then go to language, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and then tap done, and then tap change to Ukrainian, and after that system language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, go to the parametre, then to the Mova region, Mova, and select English, and tap Готово. Замінити на англійська. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.